How do I start this? Hi guys, it's Lian. Welcome to this video. So we are tasked by our mathematics and modern world teacher to create a vlog. It's actually a project, a school project. A vlog that shows the use of mathematics in our everyday lives. Siguro narinig niyo na to na math is everywhere. Now, the first time I heard that, hindi ako naniniwala. But then, patunayan ko rin sa sarili ko na math is in every cradle of creations, from the house you live in, every building you see, from managing your money, in baking, in cooking, even merely using your phone, math is there. Math is within all of that. Also, even the patterns that you see in nature, that is surprisingly still math. So, yun nga. So, there's a lot of things that we do every day that maybe we're not aware na math-related or math is applied there. So, that having said, yeah, maybe math is really everywhere. So, as you can see in the title, sewing or pananahe is also math. And yes, mananahe ako today, which is still related to mathematics. Because, for obvious reasons, syempre kailangan mong you need to have simple arithmetic in measuring fabrics and calculating allowances, ganyan. So, huwag natin itong patagalin. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so ito yung original na itsura ng polo ng mom ko na ito-turn ko into one of my DIY projects. Overall, I think it's okay naman. Yan, so ganyan yung itsura niya sa akin. My only problem is that it's not my style. So, yes, I'm gonna turn it to something that I can wear. So, the next thing I did is that I lay it flat on the ground para makita ko kung ano yung mga parts na dapat kong tabasan, dapat kong i-cut, and dapat kong i-keep. So, here you can see me pointing out the parts na kailangan gupitan. Ayan, the sleeves, and I also need to cut the top part horizontally right under the collar. And now let's proceed to the cutting. So now you can see me measuring the fabric so that I can cut it off according to my size. So yun, I forgot to film the part nung pinutol ko na siya, but ganito na yung kinalabasan niya. So as you can see, tinatanggal ko yung mga partible na naka-attach doon sa fabric. Nilagay ko sila para magstay sila in place kapag ginugupit ko na sila. So actually, if meron kang sewing pins, I recommend you to use that because honestly, sobrang hassle gamitin ng partible. But then, wala akong mabilhan at wala rin akong makita or mahiraman. So yun na lang yung ginamit ko. So here you can see me na binabaliktad yung fabric, and I'm also going to pin them into place gamit yung mga partible na ginagamit ko kanina para kapag tinahi ko na sila dun sa sewing machine, hindi sila matanggal dun sa place na inayos ko. As for the sleeves that I cut it off earlier from the original fabric,
Ang ginawa ko sa kanila, hinati ko sila sa gitna. And then, when you're done, ganyan yung magiging itsura nila. So, these are also the same sleeves na nagagamitin ko for this DIY project. So, as you can see, may pa-arc na part dyan. At sinukatan ko rin siya ng I think mga 1 inch, enough na para pumasok yung garter kapag tinahi ko na rin siya. After measuring it, pinin ko rin siya. Again, using yung mga partible para magstay siya into place once natatahiin ko na siya. And after ko magawa yan lahat, nag-proceed na ako sa pananahi. So, yun, dito, tapos na akong manahe. And dun sa gilid, makikita nyo, may tapos na akong isang puff sleeve kung saan meron na siyang garter sa loob. So, yan. Here, I'm gonna show you using the other sleeve na hindi ko pa natatapos gawin kung paano ko ginawa yung unang sleeve na yon. So, what I did is nilagyan ko ng partible yung magkabilang dulo ng garter. And it will serve as a guide para hindi sila mawala dun sa loob ng fabric kapag pinasok ko na sila. So, once I'm done doing that, pin ko rin sila sa magkabilang dulo ng fabric kasi kailangan ko rin silang tahiin together. And now that you're done dealing with the two sleeves, you now need to attach them to the main body of the fabric. After attaching them all together, may ginawa na lang ako mga finishing touches to make sure na hindi siya matatastas or anything like that. And just like that, I'm done and here's the final product.
So that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video or may natutunan kayo a thing or two about math or panahe. I don't really know, but most importantly, I hope you guys appreciated the importance of math and its application to our everyday lives and how it's significantly intertwined as sa buhay nating tao and how it helped us humans. So yeah, that's it, I guess. Bye! I'm gonna see you in the next vlog na ipapaproject ng mga teacher ko. Bye!